Hey everyone, Kevin with Spectora here. Today we're going to talk about how to add a second or third category to your inspection report. We got tons of requests for this many months ago, so we added it in. We want to show a video and show you guys how to set it up. So go into settings and to categories. And here you'll see your base deficiency label. So this is the client-facing word that you want deficiencies to be labeled as, whether that's observations, recommendations, whatever's friendly for your market. And that'll be this one here in the middle. So you can select a third category. You can label it whatever you want. Most label it maintenance items. And also here you can decide what gets included in your summary. And that's going to be PDF summary, mobile summary, filters on the HTML report. So most include everything in these summaries, I can tell you. But here you can customize each of these three words and categories that show up on your mobile app. So you can toggle through. And also on the desktop report writer as a toggle to classify into different areas that show up in your summary on the report. That was a quick one today, guys. If you want to see any examples of reports with different categories, I'll put a link in the YouTube description. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll be putting out new videos each week. Thanks for watching, guys.